Hi guys, my name is Yuri. I'm from Save Aqua here on the Overland Expo in sunny California. And what we have is a small device, which is a self-closing water tap. What it does is actually allows you to save up to 50% of your water for sanitation purposes. The way it works is very simple. So you install it on a container, plastic, essentially any plastic container or any container for that matter. And if you push it up, water runs. If you take your hands off, it stops automatically. So essentially, it's the same idea as public washrooms, where you have a shutoff valve which turns water automatically to save you water for sanitation purposes. So this is how it works. Open, close. Open, close. So in addition to the tap itself, we manufacture two adapters. So this is our product. It's our design. Actually, we have a patent for it and everything else. So these two adapters are designed to fit in plastic containers, different ones. This, for example, fits these Reliance canisters, which you can buy in Walmart, right? So what it does is it actually screws into these spigots, which comes with the container, with the canister. You screw it in, the O-ring will seal, and then what you do is the crown part comes off of our tap, and you just screw it in. And that's the setup you see there, right? I showed you. So the second adapter is more versatile even. This adapter, it's a so-called Barb adapter. So this part fits half-inch tube or hose, okay? So this is what you see here. It's a siphon, right, which can be siphoned from anywhere, essentially, and then at the bottom is our tap. And again, it still works as intended, all right? But that's not all. You can actually build your wash station from any plastic container. So this is a detergent jug, all right? It's just a jugs which you buy with your detergent. And what you do, you just install it on this plastic container, and that becomes your wash station. So reuse, right? Don't use anything else which you already have. And in order to build something like this from the plastic container, obviously you need to cut the hole through the plastic in order to install our tap. And the tool to build the hole, to drill the hole, is right here. So what do? You push it together like this. This hemispherical portion comes off. There's a cutter inside. There's a long and short spike. So the long spike is the pivot point around which you cut the hole. So the way you do it is like this. You puncture the central hole with a long spike, and then what you do, you just score the opening like this, around that central hole. Slowly back and forth, no pressure, or not much pressure. Done. So once you cut the hole, you put it back together. Again, turn it around so the crown part comes off. And what you do, you just push it through the hole you just cut. And tighten the knot on the other side. You do need the access on both sides of that hole. That's really it. Oh, in addition, so the tap itself has 3 modes of operation. So one mode you saw. The second mode, if you pull it down, it locks closed. So it will not leak. You can shake it as much as you want, or even turn it upside down, nothing happens. And the third one, if you push all the way up, the water runs constantly until you release it again. So something like this. You can buy it online at saveaqua.com. So there's a website, my name and everything else. And the coupon at the bottom gives you 15% off until the end of the year.